Hi guys, welcome to Hanamate. In this next video about my Ireland trip, you will see parts of Dingle Peninsula. That area is called Fahan, and I would like to show you the amazing stone structures that are called beehive huts. Beehive because of the shape, nothing to do with bees. They were actually um, huts for people. um, so as I mentioned, this is part of Dingle Peninsula. So if you find yourself being in Dingle, this is definitely worth the drive. It's probably 15 miles from Dingle. The collection of the beehive huts is very impressive. They are called also clochans. Some of them are above the ground, some of them are under the ground. The whole area of Fahan has got large number of these beehive huts. However, these are the most preserved, and it's definitely worth stopping by and admiring them. So it's believed that they were built 500 BC and used probably up to 12,000 AD. These were Celtic settlements, but there is more to the history of the area. Um, some of you may know that basically the first settlers in the village of Fahan were nomadic hunters and gatherers and fishermen who foraged on the coast for food. Later in Bronze and Stone Age and Iron Age, they built their defensive forts, and these clochans they that's when they first started building them, rather. And centuries later, there were more Celts, Vikings, Normans, and English people that came. Um, each wave of settlers left their mark, and at one stage, there were over 400 of these monuments surviving, prompting one antiquarian in the 19th century to refer to the area as the city of Fahan, basically like settlement. The most significant relic from the Iron Age are promontory, sea-facing, and hill forts. The structures offer fantastic protection from the elements, especially rain, which is very common in Ireland. Um, they worked as a defense structures rather, and also shelter. The method that how they are built is basically like dry stone wall. The Basically the way the stones are stuck on the top of each other, they narrow down as they go higher, and basically it's all held by gravity, and I guess friction is the right word. There is no cement at all, and it is pretty impressive how long these are lasting. Unfortunately, at some time in the past, other people would use part of the rocks, or the hunters who were hunting for bunnies, they would kind of flip the stones and didn't put them back. So as I'll let you to take a virtual tour to see these beehive huts, I would like you to realize that this settlement was for about 20 people, probably 4 to 5 families. So each family occupied one of these huts. And I'm pretty sure that also meant their livestock, their animals. So it was pretty tight, and I'm sure they kept one another warm. However, it was tight. So I let you enjoy the rest of this video, and I hope you have a chance to discover Dingle Peninsula on your own one day. By the way, these beehive huts structures are quite common all around the world. You can see them in Italy, for example. Oh, this is beautiful bath with a view. I believe that's a drinking fountain for sheep. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this, you can view more videos on my channel. I created a playlist Ireland 2024. Thank you for watching, and I